Hello, my name is Abdul Rahim Hamid. I'm the CEO of the National Black Contractors Foundation of America, and we are inside the construction learning lab where our flood victims are getting skilled hands-on training to go into the careers of construction.
The BCA is unbelievable for young brothers who don't make it in college or regular businesses. They're learning skills. They're learning skills that pay the bills.
The San Diego Workforce Partnership has been a great partner in bringing needed resources to assist folks with unmet needs that didn't have the funding or the capital to hire skilled and trained workers, or to help folks that were needing skills by subsidizing and covering the costs of that labor, which was one of the biggest parts that needs to be dealt with. And so they brought those resources to this community where we were able to put a number of people back to work again in the construction industry.
Once you get past the shock of what happened, people came together. That's one thing about when there's a tragedy or something wrong, people come together. I wish we came together before something happens, you know what I mean?
I want to say thank you to the San Diego Workforce Partnership and the work that you do to help those who are in need and those who are that are underserved in these communities. And I can't say enough for the value that you bring to especially urban inner city America.
San Diego Workforce Partnership. You got to get with them.
Get involved.
Woo!